everyone, welcome to Prime Tech Automotive YouTube channel. I have this 2010 Hyundai Getz into my workshop today with no start, but no fault codes or no engine warning light stays on. So first thing first, I done the system scan, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to just because of the video, I'm going to just check the engine fault codes, if there's any fault codes on the engine. So unfortunately I couldn't find any of the fault codes in any system, so it's because no engine is starting. I thought it was the fuel pump or something else, but first thing first, I tested the fault codes. There was no fault codes. So next option I have to check the crank signal. So here I am going to check the live data and see the crank signal, and also I'm going to check the fuel pump. I'm not sure that even it's showing on the scan tool, I'm not sure it's gonna give any data on the fuel pump, but of course I can see the crank signal and the engine speed. So here I listed 4 items. Now I'm going to turn the key and see whether any crank signals. So as you can see, I can't see any engine speed, so that looks like the engine crank sensor failed. So either engine crank sensor failed or wiring damage. So I'm going to check whether there is any wiring connector disconnected or any damages. If not, if everything looks okay, I'm going to replace the crank angle sensor. Stay tuned, guys. So here's the crank angle sensor connector. So that looks okay to me, so I can't see any damages on there. So I'm going to replace the crank angle sensor here, which is located near the transmission, back of the cylinder block, close to the exhaust manifold. So here now I'm going to start the engine. Yes, it's started. This is after replacing the crank angle sensor. So the job is done. The fault was crank angle sensor fault. Yeah, so to confirm, I'm going to double check the crank angle sensor reading. The scan tool, I'm selected the engine speed, and here's the reading now. So the RPM pretty much correct, and it's showing 880. That means the crank angle sensor doing what it has to be done. Yeah, job is done, guys. Thanks for watching. This is I hope this video helped someone to diagnose a car. Alright, check back on my channel. Thanks for watching.